Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the watch battery on your Bulova Quartz watch. This is going to work for most Quartz watches out there. As you can see here, we have a small ladies piece that is going to feature the 317 watch battery type, in our case by Renata. Here on the table you can see that I'm going to have various watch battery types that have different numbers. All of them are going to be different, so you need to pre-order the exact watch battery type that your watch needs. And also I have tutorials for all watch batteries types, so you can look on the channel in case you have a different movement type or a different watch battery style. Also, I have a few basic watchmaker tools that I'm going to use. Here I have the metallic pair of tweezers in order to remove the old watch battery. Then I have a non-metallic pair of tweezers, in our case a carbon pair of tweezers, in order to maneuver the new watch battery. And also I have a back case opener in order to remove the snap-off back. In case you are just starting out, make sure to grab the basic watchmaker toolkit, as you can see right here, link in the description box below, because you can actually find all the basic tools that you need in order to start working on your watches. So you can open snap-off bags. You also have the watch wrench in order to open screw-down bags, a pair of tweezers, a screwdriver, a bunch of different tools. And also, in case you have a snap-off bag, you might also need a watch press in order to close back the back of the watch. So you need this in order to press down the back of the watch at the end, in case you won't be able to do it with your bare hands. Now the first thing that we are going to do is to turn the watch around, and then what we want to do is to inspect the back of the watch, and we are going to look for a small place where we can actually insert our back case opener in order to open the back of the watch. This particular model can be opened from the side and also from this part of the watch as well. But other watches are going to have a small opening, so a small lift where you can actually place your tool. So in between the case and the back of the watch, in order to push it upwards and to open the back of the watch. You can see it very clearly on this particular watch right here. And then what you want to do is to take your back case opener and to place it in between the back of the watch and the watch case. And we are going to apply some pressure and to push it upwards, so towards us at the same time. So push and then also push towards us, and the back of the watch is going to open. And that is how you remove, so you open the back of the watch. Now here we have the back of the watch, and something really important is that we also have this rubber gasket, so this O-ring that is actually going to increase your water resistance. So make sure to position it back after you have replaced the watch battery in case it fell. You sometimes can find a small groove right here where you can position it back, and in case you have the option to grease it, make sure to do so as well. Then here we have the small ladies watch movement, and here we have the watch battery, as I mentioned, the 317 by Renata in our case. Now something really important, if this is the first time that you are doing this, if you are replacing a watch battery or working on your watches, is when you are operating with Quartz watches, you never want to touch the coil. And that is going to be this part right here where we have copper. And if you damage this part, if you touch it with your pair of tweezers or with a different instrument, this is going to be a very big chance that you can actually permanently damage your movement. So make sure to avoid that part and always operate where you have the watch battery. In order to have better access to the watch battery, as you can see right here, we have a plastic holder that holds the movement together, and in some cases it can also cover a part of the watch battery in order to hold it back in its position. Now what I'm going to do is to insert one tip of the pair of tweezers right here where I have the watch crown, in order to push the plastic upwards in order to remove it. So little by little, once again, make sure not to touch the coil, and as you can see, I will be able to remove the plastic. I'm going to position it right here as well. Now the next step is going to be to remove the old battery. In my case, I'm going to insert one tip of the pair of tweezers underneath the battery and then to push it upwards. As you can see, the battery jumped onto the table, and now I have access in order to insert the new watch battery. In our case, we are going to use the same watch battery since this is a brand new one. And as you can see on the plus side of the watch battery, we can actually read Renata 317. And this is how you can actually know the exact watch battery type that your watch needs. Now what I'm going to do is to take the new watch battery, in our case the exact watch battery, and position it right here and gently apply some pressure in order to put it back in its position. You can also try to position it and press it down gently with your thumb, and the watch battery is going to be positioned in the correct position. Now what we are going to do is to make sure that the watch is ticking. In case you do not have a seconds hand like this watch, you need to wait for 1 or 2 minutes in order to make sure that the watch is ticking. Or in case you have a seconds hand, as you can see right here, you will be able to see that the watch is ticking. After you have verified that the watch is ticking, we are going to assemble the watch back together. So I'm going to first put back the plastic cover, and as you can see, I'm going to make sure that this groove right here matches the part where we have the stem. So I'm going to position it in the exact way it was positioned initially. I'm going to push it down gently. Make sure to take your time. Once again, do not apply any pressure onto the coil because you can damage the watch. And the last step is going to be to put the back of the watch back. As you can see right here, we have a groove once again that is going to match the crown, so the stem of the watch, and I'm going to be able to push it down with my bare hands in this case. But there are going to be certain instances where you cannot do that, and what you are going to need is going to be the watch press in order to position your watch and to press down with the watch press in order to push it back. Now something really important is that when you select these rings right here, these O-rings, these plastic pieces, what you want to do is to make sure that you are going to have a plastic cap that is going to go perfectly onto the front of the watch, and you always want to apply pressure onto the case, so not onto the watch crystal. So as you can see, this one is almost as big as the watch crystal, so I'm going to use a bigger one. And then on the back of the watch, what you want to do is to have the other cap perfectly matching the total length of the watch back. As you can see, this one is going to slip a little back and forth, and then this particular one is going to perfectly hit the watch back. And something really important that you also want to look when you select the two caps is never to touch the watch crown. So you do not want to have any pressure onto the watch crown. As you can see right here, let's presume that these were the two caps that I have chosen. You'll be able to see that no pressure is going to be applied onto the watch crown. So just like this. And also, once again, make sure that one of the caps is going to hit the case only, as you can see right here. In case you want to learn how to use the watch press, I'm going to have a dedicated video for that, so make sure to check it out, link in the description box below. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to replace the watch battery on your Bulova Quartz watch. This is going to be the latest model with the 317 watch battery, and you can apply it to other watch brands out there as well. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Make sure to leave a comment, let me know what you thought, if you had any difficulties, what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel. And in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below.